time, in a cozy little house nestled at the end of a quiet street, lived a 7-year-old boy named Tommy. Tommy had a best friend who wasn't human, but a fluffy white cat named Snowball. Snowball had a knack for following Tommy everywhere, whether he was doing his homework at the kitchen table or reading his favorite books in the library. One sunny afternoon after school, Tommy sat down with his homework spread out neatly in front of him. Snowball curled up beside him, occasionally batting at a pencil or nuzzling his hand for attention. "I have to finish this math first, Snowball," Tommy chuckled, scratching the cat's ears as he worked through his sums. After homework was done, Tommy loved going to the library with his parents. They would browse through shelves of books, picking out new adventures to read together at bedtime. Tommy especially liked stories about brave knights and magical creatures. At home, Tommy would watch TV with his older siblings, Sarah and Jack. They would laugh at funny shows and sometimes argue over which cartoon to watch next. But Tommy didn't mind because he loved spending time with his big brother and sister. When it was time to prepare dinner, Tommy would help his mom and dad in the kitchen. He'd set the table, wash vegetables, and sometimes even stir pots on the stove, with a little help, of course. "Snowball, do you think Dad will let me flip pancakes next time?" Tommy asked, grinning at his feline friend. On weekends, Tommy would dash out into the garden to play football with his friends from the neighborhood. Tommy loved the feeling of running, kicking the ball, and hearing his friends cheer when he scored a goal. But what Tommy loved most in the whole wide world was his family and Snowball. They were his treasures, the ones who cheered him on, helped him learn, and made every day an adventure. He would often sit with Snowball in his lap, stroking the cat's soft fur and whispering, "I love you, Snowball, and I love Mom, Dad, Sarah, and Jack too. We're the luckiest family, aren't we?" And Snowball, with a contented purr, would agree, because in Tommy's world, there was nothing more precious than love and the joy of being together.